Day 2 at Subsea 2020, and I'm on stand with Carl Pilmer, the VP Proserv IWOCS division. So how is the global IWOCS segment performing for Proserv across?
Very well. I mean, we don't operate on a global space just yet. We are aware of what's happening throughout the world, though, from an IWOCS perspective. There's a lot of lightweight intervention work going on. There's a lot of marginal fields being exploited throughout the world. And, of course, interventions are key for that. You know, our focus is on the North Sea, where we hold the majority of the market share, and that's where we're known for, really, and that's our centre of excellence is here in Aberdeen. But we're very busy. We'll continue to grow on that basis.
What do you think that the operators that are here today are looking for in terms of their IWOCS provision?
I think, as normal, they're looking for our division, obviously, to demonstrate that we operate in a safe, reliable, dependable, and dynamic mode, which we're known for, you know, here in this particular division here in Aberdeen. That's, I think, what the operators are looking for. They're looking for us to demonstrate that we're maintaining that focus for their operations throughout the North Sea.
And is the show going well for you so far?
Very well, yeah. I mean, it's you know, it's key for us, really, and I think our key clients expect us to be here. You know, a lot of them come along, we have a chat, it's great for networking, it's great to meet new people as well, and obviously some of the suppliers that are key to our success in this region.
Yeah. That's fantastic. Is there anything else happening in 2020 that we need to be aware of in terms of Proserv's IWOCS division?
I think the focus on our strategy now is to develop our division, our operation sites throughout the world. That's a focus for us. Gulf of Mexico is a key area, West Africa and Asia. We do operate in Asia right now. We've got some equipment out there that's currently working. It's to grow that, really, and it's to grow that global market share is our focus for 2020.
Fantastic. Sounds like it's going to be a great year for you guys. Thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.